Hey, how's it going? Alright, you ready for this one? Bacon cornbread Aussie style. Well, let's do this. Alright, first of all, oven 200 degrees Celsius, preheat it, or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, traditional cornbread is made in a skillet, which is a cast iron frying pan that can fit in the oven, but I don't have one, so I am using a square cake tin with baking paper. A little bit of butter first, baking paper so it sticks in there. Next thing we need is a big bowl. Now it's 1.5 cups of yellow cornmeal, okay? But I am using Aussie polenta instead of cornmeal. 1.5 cups. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. Whisk it all together and then put it aside. Alright, I've got 6 tops of the bacon, or you can use 3 long rashers and just chop them up reasonably small, in small little squares, and put it aside. Okay, now in a smaller bowl we need creamed corn. Alright, this is a 410 gram tin, and we need roughly 230 grams, so just over half a tin we're going to use. Now I think over in America it'll be around 8.25 ounces. Put that in the bowl. Next thing we need is buttermilk, and we need 1 cup. We need 1/4 cup of olive oil or vegetable oil. 2 eggs. Whisk it all together. Once we've whisked it in, set it aside for a minute. Now we need to grate 1 cup of cheese and almost a cup of cheese for on top after. You can use any cheese you want. I haven't got cheddar, so I'm using any cheese, but if you've got cheddar cheese, use cheddar cheese. Alright, now we put it all together. Get a big bowl of polenta, pour in our buttermilk mix, whisk it up. Once it's all blended, you don't need to do it too much. We want to add our 1 cup of cheese. We want to put in 3/4 of our bacon. Alright, we want to leave a good handful of it to put on top later. Oh, it smells so good. Alright, we'll put it into our pan. In the oven she goes for 25 minutes. Alright, 25 minutes is up. Keep your oven on. So now we want to sprinkle cheese over it, and then sprinkle bacon over it. As little as much as you want. Leave gaps though, so it can go all nice and toasty and brown. Alright, now we want to put it back in the oven between 5 and 10 minutes until it's all melted and it's all yummy and brown and beautiful. 10 minutes is up. Oh, it looks amazing. It smells awesome. Alright, I'm just going to leave it in the tin for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to pull it out onto a wire rack and let it cool. Have a look at it. Oh, yum. Let's cut a piece. Oh, check that out, folks. Yum. Mate, check that out. Oh, it is so good. Definitely better eaten cold. Oi, thanks heaps for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day. Bye.